You can get started repairing watches with less than 10 tools. Here's 9 essential items that you'll need. You'll need a container to put all your parts in. You'll need some kind of a washing solution to clean your parts. You'll need a magnification. You'll need some good quality watch oil, a movement holder to set your movement in while you're working on it. These are hand removers, remove the hands. This is a watch case opener, some tweezers, and a good set of screwdrivers. With this you can get started in watch repair. Many of the watchmakers that I know use fishing tackle boxes to store all their tools because they have a lot of compartments. They have compartments like on the top, and you've got trays inside which have dividers and separators, and you have more trays over there with more separator and dividers. It can hold a lot of different things and they won't all get mixed up. These are relatively inexpensive and can be bought at most sporting goods stores. You'll need to have a parts container for your watch parts when you're taking your watch apart. And here's one that I bought. This comes from actually the fishing and tackle department of a store, or you can go to a fishing and tackle store and buy these, and that's what these are used for. But these work great also for watch repair because you have different compartments and you can put different size items in there. And the most important thing is that it has a lid so that when you have your parts in here, they won't spill if you happen to knock this over because you have the lid on it. Many watchmakers are really careful not to have fingerprints on the movement parts when they are putting them back together. So they may use like latex gloves like these, or finger cots, or cotton gloves while reassembling the watches.